Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare reviews, walls, etc. So if you guys are interested in watching such content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about a few lipsticks, a few lip oils. I know I could have made separate videos, but then I thought why to make separate videos. Let me make one video only so that you guys can see what I am talking about. So mainly I will be showing 4 products from Pilgrim. मैं उनका आपको वेट टेस्ट भी बताऊंगी. Someone was commenting on a video to go वेट टेस्ट. Now let me tell you one thing. मैं start करती हूँ सुबह में that वेट टेस्ट करने के लिए. But then my job is so because I'm a teacher, I can't every now and then do वेट test. But I can tell you my honest opinion and my audience know that the opinion that I give is 100% true. Still I would try to include the snippets जितना भी मुझसे हो पाएगा. So without any further ado, let's get started. Mainly I have McAfee products here. So I have one lip oil, I have one pH lip gloss. So I will be talking about all of them. So the very first product that I have is this one. This is MCaffeine pH gloss, or you can say lip oil. This is pH tint shift. Now this turns into pink. Like when you are applying this will turn into pink. So it just looks so pretty, and look at the consistency. It's not at all sticky or whatsoever. And look at the chubby applicator. You can see it has already turned into pink क्योंकि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे दिखा दिया है that how this is going to look on me. So definitely this is going to look good on people with fair skin tone. But if you are of medium or dark skin tone, this might wash you out because it was washing me out like without makeup, I think so. So yeah, then you can look for yourself. I like this product, but I am not over the clouds. But yeah, it's a good product. Alright, next comes again in the same category. This is McAfee lip oil gloss, and this is in the shade Cherry Glaze. Now they have launched a few more shades. I think one shade is also there, but I cannot find it anywhere. So again, this is a little bit more pigmented than the pH gloss. But अगर आपको देख के लग रहा है कि बहुत pigmented होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. This is very light. You can see in the swatches, this is very light on your lips, and then again this gives you a very nice fuller effect. So if you are someone who likes to wear makeup on a daily basis or lipstick पहनना पसंद नहीं है, so definitely you can go for this one. This is a very nice color, and then it does not smell of anything. The pH lip gloss it had a kind of fragrance, but इसका fragrance बिल्कुल नहीं है. And plus I love the color. This is Cherry Glaze. Guys, now let's talk about the lip color that I am wearing. Now this is again by McAfee. This is their creamy matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Maroon Mimosa. It's a so pretty color. I mean, this is red, but then it's a little bit maroon. It's not very maroon, so you can see you can wear it on a daily basis also. It will be a very nice lipstick, and look at it how this looks. This looks so pretty, and this swatch is so pretty. Plus it lasts for good 3 to 4 hours if you don't eat anything. But of course it's a creamy matte lipstick, so this will go away, fade away. And talking about both the glosses that I showed you, of course they will leave a tint, but बहुत ही कम tint होगा. तो आप ऐसा मत सोचना कि बहुत ज़्यादा tint होगा. तो tint बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होगा उन दोनों जो मैंने McAfee के पहले दिखाए थे आपको. Now next one which I have, this is McAfee. Again this is the liquid lipstick. This is a new launched by the way. ये जो shade है ये muted rose है. This is a very nice pretty muted color, and in fact I will show you कि मैंने इसको wear किया था without makeup, how my face was looking. Generally I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. Apart from lipstick, I do wear lipstick because it's so hot, so humid in Delhi that it's quite impossible to wear anything. So I just wear a sunscreen, sometimes a compact. I don't have time that much in the morning, but I apply a lip color. So this is what the lip color looks like. It's a very pretty color, and look at the packaging. It reminds me of Bella Voste packaging, and trust me when I say it has a doe foot applicator. Trust me when I say that this particular lipstick is so lightweight. It is very lightweight, plus it is transfer proof, and you will not feel a thing on your lips. It will not dry out your lips. So for me, I really like this one. Right, guys, now let's talk about something which is a new launch. So I am talking about this Etude House lip tint lip oil. So this is oil tint. Now this retails for 750 rupees. By the way, I will be mentioning the prices. So this retails for 750 rupees. This is in the shade Plumberry. They do have quite a lot of shades. I will have the shade chart over here, and look at it how cute it looks. This is what it looks like, and again look at the color. does not smell of anything that I really like. Now it is a sort of red plum sort of color matching to what I'm wearing, and again it has a tint. Now the color is really good. If I compare this with McCaffeine does not have this much of pigmentation, sorry to say, but of course Etude House, it has a lot of pigmentation, plus when you wipe it, it will leave a tint. You will see in the video. So this is going to leave a tint. Of course it's a little bit expensive because McCaffeine products you can find on like buy two get two free. So I got the offer buy two get two, so that's why I bought. Otherwise वैसा वर्थ नहीं है कि आप एक ही प्रोडक्ट खरीदो या दो खरीदो. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ मिलता है buy one get one, buy two get two, then only buy these products. About the tint it leaves, it's not very much, but it is something. So definitely you can try go for this one because this has good color pigmentation also. So I recommend this over the McCaffeine one. It is like new in India. I mean, new launch in India. This is the hottest launch and viral launch from NYX Cosmetics. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is a NYX Shine Loud lipstick. Lipstick means it has a liquid lipstick on one end and gloss on the other end, and this is in the shade Goal Getter. I was getting some other shade, but then this is the darkest shade, I believe. There's one more, but that is always out of stock. So this will go for Indian skin tone, but then you have to apply makeup, otherwise it can wash your head. I love the color. This color is really pretty. It is a nude color, but again it's not washing me out or whatsoever. Now one thing I did not like about this one is that it takes a little bit of time to settle in your lips, like specifically the liquid lipstick. It is going to take a little bit of time to settle. First you have to give it at least 5 to 6 minutes to dry out, and then you apply the coat. That's how I did. So if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section, because I really want to know how to apply it. So I waited for, and then it was transfer proof, but then the gloss was transferring, and I will show you, like in the video you will see. So the gloss was transferring, but the color was there. Even if I was using a wet wipe, so the color was not coming out. So I love such type of products. A very innovative product, and we have a lot of Indian brands also doing this. But then in Indian brands the color also transfers, but here the color is not transferring, only the gloss is transferring. So guys, that was about it, and regarding was about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.